amigas que andamos ready. Esto lo seguimos en el after party.
Hello my beauty lovers, it's your girl Myra and I'm back with another video. Before I get this video started, can you please hit that subscribe button, hit the bell to be notified when I upload video. Hey everybody out there, how's everybody doing? I'm doing good. So today I went to Walmart. I went to go pick up my prescription and I'm browsing around the makeup aisle as I wait for my orders to be done. And I picked up a couple of items that I think they're new to the market. I'm not too sure. I haven't seen it. Well, I need to get up to date with this. I seen this inflatable L'Oreal makeup foundation and it says up to 24-hour fresh wear. And I got this in the color 420. So hopefully, we get a good match with this. I'm excited to try this out. I do own a couple of inflatable cosmetics. I have another foundation in their squeezy tube bottle. I also have their powder, and I love the way it matten my face. It keeps it mattify. Anyways, so yeah, I picked this foundation up. I seen another Hard Candy Stay in Line 12-hour mechanical gel eyeliner in the color white. So I can't wait to give this a try. And I also picked up a new mascara. It says new on the package, and it's by Milani, and it's the highly rated 10-in-1 mascara, volume 10. So I've seen this and I said I got to pick it up because it's new, and I do love Milani. Like you guys know, I love Milani's foundation. I do own their eyeshadow primer. What else do they have? Oh, and where they at? I can't forget about Milani's palettes. So I'm excited to try this mascara out. Also, I picked up two of the Maybelline lip liner. These are color sensational, and I picked up color Totally Toffee, and the other one is Beige Babe. These are two beautiful colors, and I can't wait to try them out for a nude lippy wear, something cute or whatever. And I also picked up another mascara that I needed it and I had to have it. This is one of my favorite, and this is by Maybelline, and this is the Lash Sensational. And this is one of my first favorite, and then I do have another favorite, which is the Lash Paradise, and this is one of my second favorite. And I also picked up NYX face primer and Angel Veil. This is bomb, and I love it. And of course, I had to pick up I gotta keep a strap. I had to pick up my birth control pills. Like, don't judge me. Keep it safe. Keep it locked. Anywho, if you guys want to see how I created this beautiful look at the end of the video, please keep on watching. guys enjoyed it. Please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share my videos with your mama, with your daddy, with your cousin, with your whole family. Let them know what your girl's doing over here in this channel. Because we lit. We lit. We lit. Yes, girl. Alright, my beauty lovers. Till next time. I love you guys. Bye.